Welcome to today's video on agreement pending. This means that you've been approved for the grant and you have to go and sign your contract. So we will log into our applicant portal. And as you can see, the status for your application states agreement pending. You'll also see that you've had 2 unread messages, and it says the education grant is agreement pending, and you have a new letter from the grant program. So it states unread, so you can view it in that window, view letters. And this is your approval letter. So it states your agreement dates, the semester, as well as you'll see down below. You must submit your unofficial transcript for the winter 2023 semester. Please note this is for previous applicants. You must submit your transcript every semester in order to receive your funding. This letter will also be sent to your personal email account. As you'll see here, I have an approval package, and you can access your approval letter by clicking this link and your agreement by clicking this link. So since we're already on the applicant portal, we'll return back to the page. So I will go and sign my agreement now. I'll click the action button where it states agreement pending, and it'll bring me right to the contract. So you'll see I've been approved for the education grant for $787. So I'll look over the agreement and I will accept. You have the option to sign with your mouse or a keypad, and you'll select the submit. So here you'll see it states saved successfully, and here's my copy, my signed copy. Now we will be alerted that you've signed your agreement, and the program administrator will sign their copy as well. You'll be given a copy of the agreement. You'll get another alert once we've signed the document, and you'll receive a returned agreement letter stating your payment date, or if your transcript is still outstanding, it'll say you must submit that document. If this is your first time applying for the grant, you will have to enter your banking information. And if it's not saved on the applicant portal, once you've signed your agreement, it'll prompt you to fill it out directly. So here you'll see the banking information, and you must also submit a void check. This information is also under your profile. So anytime you have a change of address to make, you can change anything here and will be alerted. You can also enter your education information, employment information, and your banking information. So if your information has changed, you can update banking information here, and will be alerted that you do have new banking information for your next payment. If you have any questions regarding your signed agreement, you can contact our office at 1-866-989-9299, or you can send us an email at info@ecegrants.on.ca. And that's the end of today's video regarding the signed agreement. Thank you.